Rolex has implemented its third price increase in just 12 months, pushing the Submariner above $11,000 at authorized retailers. Industry reports suggest that several Rolex models could see significant value growth by 2026 due to tightly controlled supply, strong global demand, and the brand's powerful long-term equity. Market insights also indicate that a large portion of Rolex watches are currently trading above retail on the secondary market, highlighting their strong investment appeal and desirability. Experts continue to rank Rolex as one of the most stable luxury watch brands, known for consistent value retention and resilience in the pre-owned market. In this discussion, we explore the top Rolex models that buyers are actively targeting in 2026 before further price increases or potential discontinuations drive values even higher, revealing the timepieces that smart collectors are focusing on right now. Number 10. The Rolex Oyster Perpetual 41mm embodies the essence of timeless watchmaking, combining elegant simplicity with exceptional performance and durability. Crafted from corrosion-resistant oyster steel, the watch features a perfectly balanced 41mm case that offers a modern presence while maintaining classic proportions. Its clean and highly legible dial is available in a variety of vibrant and traditional colors, enhanced by luminous hour markers and hands that provide excellent visibility in low-light conditions. The signature oyster bracelet delivers outstanding comfort and robustness, secured by an oyster clasp designed for reliability during everyday wear. At the heart of the watch is Rolex's advanced self-winding caliber 3230 movement, which incorporates the brand's chronogy escapement for improved efficiency, precision, and resistance to shocks and magnetic fields. Offering a power reserve of approximately 70 hours, the movement is certified as a superlative chronometer, ensuring remarkable accuracy and dependable performance. Number 9. The Rolex Explorer 36mm is a watch that perfectly captures the spirit of adventure while maintaining a timeless and understated elegance. Inspired by the world of exploration, its compact 36mm oyster steel case offers exceptional durability and a comfortable fit, making it suitable for both everyday wear and demanding environments. The distinctive black dial features the iconic 3, 6, and 9 numerals, along with chromolite display elements that emit a long-lasting blue glow for enhanced readability in low-light conditions. Its robust oyster bracelet combines strength with comfort and is equipped with a secure oyster lock clasp for added reliability. Powering the watch is Rolex's self-winding caliber 3230 movement, incorporating the highly efficient chronogy escapement and offering a power reserve of approximately 70 hours. Certified as a superlative chronometer, the movement delivers outstanding precision and resistance to shocks and magnetic fields. The screw-down twin-lock crown and solid oyster case ensure water resistance up to 100 meters, providing confidence in a variety of conditions. Blending rugged functionality with refined craftsmanship, the Rolex Explorer 36mm remains one of the most versatile and respected timepieces in the world, admired for its simplicity, reliability, and enduring character. Number 8. The Rolex Datejust 41 is a sophisticated timepiece that seamlessly blends timeless elegance with modern watchmaking excellence. Crafted from premium materials including oyster steel and precious metals, its 41mm case offers a commanding presence while maintaining exceptional comfort on the wrist. The watch is distinguished by its iconic date display at 3 o'clock, magnified by the signature Cyclops lens for enhanced legibility. Available with a variety of dial colors and configurations, the Datejust 41 features luminous hour markers and hands that ensure excellent visibility in all lighting conditions. The choice of the elegant Jubilee bracelet or the sporty oyster bracelet further enhances its versatility and refined character. At its heart beats Rolex's advanced self-winding caliber 3235 movement, equipped with the innovative chronogy escapement and providing an impressive power reserve of approximately 70 hours. Certified as a superlative chronometer, the movement delivers exceptional precision, reliability, and resistance to shocks and magnetic fields. The robust oyster case and twin-lock screw-down crown provide water resistance up to 100 meters, making the watch as practical as it is luxurious. Combining classic aesthetics with cutting-edge engineering, the Rolex Datejust 41 stands as an enduring symbol of prestige, versatility, and impeccable craftsmanship, making it one of the most celebrated and recognizable watches ever created. Number 7. The Rolex Air King 126900 is a distinctive and highly legible timepiece that pays tribute to the brand's long-standing connection with aviation while incorporating modern engineering and refined craftsmanship. Featuring a robust 40mm oyster steel case, the watch delivers exceptional durability and a confident presence on the wrist. Its striking black dial is characterized by large minute markers and prominent Arabic numerals, complemented by the iconic green Rolex logo and yellow crown emblem, giving the watch a unique and sporty personality. Number 6. The Rolex Submariner date 126610LN is a legendary dive watch that perfectly combines professional underwater capability with timeless luxury design. Built from corrosion-resistant oyster steel, its 41mm oyster case delivers outstanding strength and a balanced wrist presence, while the signature black Skyrocket bezel provides exceptional scratch resistance and allows precise tracking of elapsed dive time with its unidirectional rotation. The deep black dial is designed for maximum clarity, featuring large chromolite-filled hour markers and hands that emit a long-lasting blue glow, ensuring perfect readability even in the darkest underwater environments. The iconic date display at 3 o'clock is enhanced by the Cyclops lens, offering magnified legibility without compromising the clean symmetry of the dial. Paired with a robust oyster bracelet, equipped with a glide lock extension system, the watch allows fine adjustments for comfortable wear over a wetsuit or on the wrist in daily use. Inside beats Rolex's advanced self-winding caliber 32-35 movement, incorporating the highly efficient chronogy escapement and delivering an impressive power reserve of approximately 70 hours. Number 5. The Rolex Date 840 in Eve Rose Gold represents the pinnacle of prestige and craftsmanship, combining luxurious materials with timeless design and mechanical excellence. Crafted entirely from Rolex's exclusive 18CT Eve Rose Gold, its 40mm oyster case radiates a warm, refined tone that enhances its distinguished and authoritative presence on the wrist. The watch is instantly recognizable for its iconic display of both the day of the week at 12 o'clock and the date at 3 o'clock, with the date magnified by the signature Cyclops lens for effortless readability. The dial is available in a range of elegant finishes, often featuring applied gold hour markers and luminous accents that enhance legibility while maintaining a sophisticated aesthetic. Paired with the iconic President bracelet, designed specifically for this model, the watch offers exceptional comfort and a seamless blend of luxury and durability, secured with a concealed crown clasp for a clean, uninterrupted look. Number 4. The Rolex GMT Master 2 Batman 126710BLNR is a striking and highly functional travel watch, instantly recognizable for its distinctive black and blue Skyrocket bezel that has earned it its famous nickname. Crafted from robust oyster steel, the 40mm oyster case delivers exceptional durability while maintaining a refined and versatile presence on the wrist. The bidirectional rotatable bezel allows the tracking of a second time zone, making it an essential companion for frequent travelers and professionals working across different regions. Number 3. The Rolex Daytona 116500LN with white dial is one of the most iconic and sought-after chronographs in modern watchmaking, blending motorsport heritage with exceptional precision and striking visual balance. Crafted from robust oyster steel, its 40mm oyster case is designed for both durability and refined wrist presence, while the high-contrast black Skyrocket bezel, featuring a tachymetric scale, allows precise measurement of average speeds, reinforcing its racing-inspired identity. The crisp white dial creates a clean and highly legible layout, enhanced by black contrasting subdials that deliver a bold and sporty aesthetic while maintaining perfect symmetry. Luminous hour markers and hands ensure excellent visibility in all lighting conditions, while the chronograph layout provides intuitive reading of elapsed time for professional and everyday use. The watch is paired with the iconic oyster bracelet, offering exceptional comfort, strength, and security through its oyster lock clasp and easy-link extension system. Inside, the Daytona is powered by Rolex's self-winding caliber 4130 movement, known for its remarkable efficiency, reliability, and simplified architecture that enhances performance and serviceability. Featuring a vertical clutch and column wheel system, it delivers smooth chronograph operation and an impressive power reserve of approximately 72 hours. Number 2. The Rolex GMT Master 2 Sprite 126720VTNR is one of the most distinctive modern interpretations of Rolex's iconic travel watch, instantly recognizable for its unusual left-hand crown configuration and striking black and green Skyrocket bezel. Crafted from robust oyster steel, its 40mm oyster case combines durability with a balanced, comfortable wrist presence, while the asymmetrical layout gives it a unique identity among GMT Master 2 models. Number 1. The Rolex Explorer 2 Polar 226570 is a robust and highly functional timepiece designed for adventurers who operate in extreme environments, combining rugged durability with precise dual-time functionality. Crafted from solid oyster steel, its 42mm oyster case offers exceptional strength and corrosion resistance while maintaining a balanced and comfortable presence on the wrist despite its tool watch character. The striking white polar dial is one of its most distinctive features, delivering outstanding contrast and legibility, enhanced by bold black-outlined hour markers and chromolite-filled hands that emit a long-lasting blue glow in low-light conditions. A signature orange 24-hour hand works in conjunction with a fixed 24-hour engraved bezel, allowing the wearer to distinguish between day and night and track a second time zone with ease, making it ideal for explorers, cave divers, and frequent travelers. The watch is paired with the iconic Oyster bracelet, equipped with the Oyster Lock clasp and glide lock extension system, ensuring both security and fine adjustability in demanding conditions. Inside, the Explorer 2 is powered by Rolex's self-winding caliber 3285 movement, featuring the highly efficient chronogy escapement and delivering a power reserve of approximately 70 hours. Certified as a superlative chronometer, it guarantees exceptional precision, reliability, and resistance to shocks and magnetic fields.